Hey, it's Albert here again. All right, so I got it to work. All right, so basically what I did is, you can see here I changed a step here. So what I did is I went ahead and I added an extra step, okay? So I added a step. I just picked a template that had a similar color background, the gray background there. Um, and then once I did that, I opened the page. Oh, here, hold on, sorry here. On the wrong page here. So you can see the background here. So the color is the same. Um, let me just go through here real quick and I'll show you what template. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll just do this and I'll just delete this. All right, so you can see I just kind of thumbed through here, and this background, the background color, just to make it easy, was pretty easy. All right, it was pretty clear. It's the color's similar, so I chose this template. I came through. Okay, it's added to the step, added here. I just dragged this. I just dragged it all the way to the top. All right, now I'm just going to open this real quick and show you what I did. That way you could replicate this. So basically what I did is I got this big section here. I deleted it. And then from right here, hold on, let me delete this section here. All right, and then from right here, I just went ahead and dropped in. I went to my sections, I saved that, and you'll see it populate, okay? And then I deleted everything else around it, okay? That way I just brought that template in that I saved just as I showed you. So it's a little different. I deleted some of the text and stuff that was in here. All right, so this is what I did. Now I'm going to go back through here. I'm not going to save any of this. I'm going to get rid of this step because I don't need an extra step in here. Because what I want to do is I'm just going to send you this whole funnel, okay? It's up to you. So I can send you this whole funnel. You're going to have to go through and update all of the page paths, okay, for the entire funnel. All right. Or you can just do what I did here, add an extra step, choose that template, come through here, right, and delete a couple sections, and then add in the section like I just did here by selecting it, okay? If that's easier, we'll do that just to start with, okay? That should fix your issue. All right, here I want to show you that I did get it to work. All right, so I'm just going to go here and you'll see it process and go to step 2. All right, let me see here. Now I know that's your step 2. Let me go here. There we go. All right, so I can see there that it took me to your next step there. All right, you can see that the tab here, it's got the same name here, right? All right, so I would go through and do that for your first step. So I got it to work. I would do that, and if you're good with that, then all you need to do is change the page path for the new step, you know, and obviously just recreate the step, change that stuff, and then create a new page path, you know, that's satisfies whatever you want to do here. And same thing up here, update funnel step. That way you have both page paths brand new with the brand new step. And then just go ahead and go through that process and let me know. All right, that should work for you. I got it to work here on this side. If you want me to go ahead and send you this whole funnel, I can do that. It's not a big deal. You just let me know. All right, whatever's easiest for you. All right, thanks.